Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV. In order to do this, you first need to come to youtubetv.com and here you just have to sign in with your account. You need to make sure that you have the subscription or the free trial with YouTube TV. Once you have it, by default you will be on the home page, but in order to watch the live football on YouTube TV, you need to click on this live tab, and over here you will be able to see all of the live channels. So you can use the filters that is given in the top right hand corner and you can sort it by A to Z and Z to A and most watched. You can even edit it with the help of this custom edit option as well. So here you just have to simply scroll down in order to watch your favorite channel on which you can watch the live football. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.